Good morning. It's time for morning meeting. So we're going to start with the day. This means today.
Today is.
Today is. It's the start of our school week. So that means it's Monday. Touch Monday.
Monday.
So we're going to say that in a sentence.
Today is Monday.
Today is Monday. Good job. This picture means month.
The month is.
The month is. So the month is, this is a month with Mother's Day. Did you celebrate Mother's Day this past weekend? Touch May.
May.
And then we're going to say it in a sentence.
The month is May.
The month is May. The date. This picture means date.
The date is.
The date is May
11th.
11th. So let's say it in a sentence.
The date is 11th.
The date is May 11th, 2020. This picture means weather.
The weather is.
Go look outside and see what the weather is. All right, did you go look? So right now, while Miss Ainsley's recording this, it's sunny. So if you watch this early, it may be sunny, but most of the day, it's going to be cloudy. So we will say cloudy.
Cloudy.
And we'll say it in a sentence.
The weather is. Cloudy.
The weather is cloudy. Temperature.
The temperature is.
All right, so to find the temperature, we always look it up on the internet. You can watch the news, or you can use a phone. So the temperature right now, while Miss Ainsley's recording, is 41 degrees, but it's supposed to get up to 57. So we will say it's cool. It's going to be cool today.
Cool.
Touch cool. Good job. Now let's say it in a sentence.
The temperature is. Cool.
The temperature is cool. Good job, friends. Okay, so we also need to do language arts and math today. And our special areas are gym, art, and work skills. So make sure you try to do as much as you can today, and most importantly, work on your IEP goals. All right, friends, Miss Ainsley will talk to you later. Bye.